So I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav. From any screen, click on nav, there we go, click sideways, and there you've got guidance, spoken instructions, routes, points of interest, traffic information, interactive map views. But we click nav again and you've got the input screen for the destination. So we'll just go back. That's what you had. You click nav, brings up the screen, click nav again, and then up to recent destinations or destination input, place and postcode, and then it's a thumb wheel, which I think is pretty good actually. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR. Now we have to go down to numbers. Where's the numbers? Further characters. So we'll click that and we're on to numbers. So we're PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters, J, S, and then you've got OK in the center. So there you can go back, delete, or OK. Click OK in the center. That's it. Scroll down to start guidance.
Now turn right.
Confused it a bit with it being on the with us being set on the forecourt, but it's really a really easy system to use. So we'll just click nav again, and let's see, destination input. Actually no, click across there, nav, click across, up to guidance, click guidance, then stop guidance. That'll stop it interrupting while I'm trying to pair a mobile.